Are you ready to learn a new hula step and verse 3 to Puamana? If so, stay tuned. Aloha everyone, it's Lynn with iHula Hawaii, bringing the hula of Hawaii to you. Welcome back to the series of Puamana that we're right in the middle of learning. Today I'm going to teach you the step called the lele. I'm going to have a little short clip with instruction of how to do that. But before we get into the new stuff, I thought I'd set up today's video kind of like a typical hula practice. We're going to start with a basic warm-up, and we're going to review choreography learned so far. Now, if you were in a live class with me, I'd be able to see or pinpoint for you any parts that might not be correct. But since I can't do that, I need you to do this for yourself. I need you to give yourself a little hula quiz. What I'm going to ask you to do is to dance the song without watching the video. Maybe some of you have already done that so far, and maybe some of you have just really been following along but have never tested yourself. So I want to see if you can do that. Simply just turn away from the video and play the song and do the hula on your own. Are you able to tell the story of Puamana so far? I would really like to know your answer. So if you could please leave me a comment below, say yes, I memorized verses 1 and 2, or no, I'm still working on it. I really would like to hear it, so please give me a comment. Mahalo for tuning in today, and I hope you subscribe and click the bell to my channels. I appreciate you giving me your time and wanting to learn the hula. Until we see each other again, a hui hou and aloha. Let's begin with a warm-up of the feet.
Nape mali
Now let's dance verses 1 and 2 together.
Nape mali
Our new hula step is called the lele, which means to step. We will also have a quarter turn, where we will be slanting our bodies in a quarterly direction, dancing our kaholo toward the back, or ihope, and then forward, which we call imua. Here's the foot pattern. Starting with your kaholo right and left, we're going to lele forward, then back, do a quarter turn and right ihope, a quarter turn and do a left ihope, keeping your body at a quarter turn to the left, imua right, turn your body a quarter turn to the right, imua left. Starting with your kaholo to the right and left, here's your lele. Simply step forward on your right and your left, lean back on your right and your left. Let's try that again. Kaholo right, 2, 3, 4, left, 2, 3, and lele right, lele left, back, right, left, and. For the quarter turn, we will simply angle our bodies to the right and then the left. Angle your body to the right and kaholo back. 2, ihope, 3, 4, imua, come forward, keeping that quarterly turn to the right and to the left. Let's try that again. Quarter turn right, ihope. Quarter turn left, ihope. Keeping a quarter turn left, imua right. Quarter turn to the right, imua left. Now with the music. The Hawaiian lyric for verse 3. Home nani, home I ka ai kai, ke ko nane a ka mahina, I ke kai ha vana vana. Starting with your vamp on the right, then left. Home nani, a beautiful home. Both show your home and open forward. Wave together and apart. Nestled along the shore. Both low on the right, do one ocean on the right, on the left, on the right, on the left. With the bright moon, both down and circle up to show your moon. Upon the whispering sea, both ocean on the right 2 times, right up, left whisper, mouth and out. Repeat your vamp right and left. Ho'omākaukau, are you ready to hula? Let's do the hands and feet together.